Jungkook stormed into Ty's office like a mini tornado. His bunny slippers squeaked because he forgot to change shoes in his rage. Jungkook, slamming paper, I quit. Ty, sipping coffee, you quit coffee? Good, it makes you hyper. Jungkook, not coffee. This, waves resignation letter like a fly. Take it. I don't deserve to work in a place where everyone thinks I'm an alien. Ty nearly choked on his coffee. He wiped his lips dramatically. Ty, you? Alien? Please. Even aliens wouldn't survive your clumsiness. Jungkook, offended gasp. So you agree I'm not human? Ty, rubbing temples, God give me strength. Ty chuckled, walking over and grabbing Jungkook's wrist. Ty, little human, stop embarrassing yourself. He yanked Jungkook toward the corner. Jungkook stumbled, landing against the wall, eyes wide with terror. Jungkook, stop. Ty, smirking, leaning close, relax. I'm not the alien. You are. Because only an alien could create this much chaos without even trying. Jungkook blinked. His face burned. Jungkook, I'm human. Ty's lips twitched. Ty, human? Really? Working in a human company? And you don't even know what brand you're working for? Jungkook looked up and froze. Above him was a giant glowing poster. Human INC. Be human, stay human. Beneath it, all the divisions he had never bothered to notice. Human foods, human tech, human wear, human toilet paper, human. Basically everything. Jungkook, thinking, wait, what? My whole life. Alive? Ty reached out and gently grabbed Jungkook's shoulders to steady him before he could spin out of control. Ty, hey, little human, calm down. Don't hurt yourself. Jungkook took a deep breath, trying to speak without screaming, though his head was spinning. Jungkook, I cannot believe this. All this time, I thought you were an alien. But you are human too, Ty. Yes, very human. Not that it changes anything, but yes, everything we say human, we're promoting human INC. Be human, stay human. Jungkook. Then everything I thought was a lie. Ty stepped closer, lowering his voice, soft but teasing. Ty, you know, I've liked you for a long time, more than I probably should. Jungkook's cheeks turned red. Jungkook, you, like me? Me, the clumsy, accident-prone human who is constantly making a mess? Ty smiled warmly and reached out, tucking a strand of Jungkook's hair behind his ear. Ty, yes, you, my favorite disaster. Jungkook's legs gave out completely. His thoughts a whirlwind. Humans, Ty likes me. My whole life is a lie. Too much. Jungkook, I cannot handle all of this at once. Before he could steady himself, Jungkook collapsed into Ty's arms with a dramatic thud. Ty held him securely, a mixture of amusement and fondness in his eyes. He pressed a soft kiss to Jungkook's forehead. Thump! Jungkook jolted awake, flailing his arms like a fish out of water. Jungkook, what? Where? WHA? Before he could even figure out what was happening, another smack landed on his arm. Jungkook, OW. Jimin, what are you doing? Jimin, leaning against the door frame with a lazy grin, waved casually. Jimin, relax, idiot. You've been lying in bed like a zombie. Mom's already complaining that her disaster son refuses to go to work. Jungkook blinked, still half-stuck in his dream world. Jungkook, what? Work? Refuse. I've been working there for months. Why are you even in my room? Jimin snorted and poked him in the ribs. Jimin, because you're my brother. Duh. Someone has to make sure you don't stay in bed all day drooling over your alien fantasies. Jungkook slowly sat up, looking around like a confused cartoon character. Jungkook, Mom, she called you? Jimin snorted. Jimin, yep. Mrs. Jeon is our mom, in case you forgot. She's mad because her big genius son is acting like a drama queen again. Jungkook flopped back dramatically. Jungkook, I hate mornings. I hate humans. Except maybe Ty. Jimin. Hey, wait. Hold on. Who's Ty? You've been mumbling about him all morning in your sleep. Jungkook froze, eyes wide. His brain did a full spin cycle. Jungkook, gulping, thinking, oh no, I can't tell him the truth. He'll think I'm insane. He must scold me. Jungkook, Tae, Echies. Just a friend. Yeah, a very weird friend. Very normal, totally human friend. Jimin chuckled, shaking his head. Jimin, now hurry up before mom starts yelling again. Jungkook enters Tae's office, eyes wide in shock. Tae, you must be the new hire. Jeon Jungkook, right? Jungkook, gasping, I knew it. Tae, you knew what? Jungkook, you. The voice, the hair, the dramatic way of saying my name, exactly like in my dream. Tae, raising bro. Have you been stalking me? Jungkook, oh my god, you even said that in my dream. Tae, blinking. Jungkook, don't play dumb. You drink coffee at 9:05 sharp. You hide snacks in your desk. Your left sock has a hole. Don't deny it. Tae, opens drawer, sees snacks, then checks sock. What the hell? Jungkook, clapping like a seal. See, I have superpowers. I can see the future. Tae, pressing lips together to hold back laugh. Or maybe you're just insane. Jungkook, no. This is destiny. You're my K-drama fate. We're soulmates. Tae, smirking, leaning closer. Soulmates? Huh? Should I confess now? Jungkook, face red, Donti. If you confess, I'll faint. Tae, whispers in his ear, what if I want to see you faint? Jungkook, gasping, why you sexy demon? Jungkook's knees wobble, he faints dramatically. Tae catches him in his arms. Tae, sighing but smiling, unbelievable, my first day meeting him, and he already faints in my arms. He looks down at Jungkook's sleeping face. He glanced down at Jungkook's sleeping face and couldn't stop the tiny smile tugging at his lips. Tae, softly, cute little human. He carries Jungkook out of the office, still shaking his head but smiling.